Take the slipper sole and position it with the toe facing you. Whether you're working on the left or right sole, the method is the same. Always start crocheting from the right side of the sole. Leave about 3 fingers width of space at the toe. Right next to your fingers is the starting point. Insert hook there. Take the yarn over, and pull it through the loop on hook. Then chain 1. Now we're ready to start the first row. I'm working on a size 36 sole, so we'll need to chain 16 more stitches. The number of chains for the first row will vary depending on the sole size. Refer to this table. Once the 16 chains are complete, rotate the sole so left side is facing you. Find the stitch that lines up with your starting point, insert hook, and work a single crochet. Now check to make sure all the stitches on the upper side are forming clean V shapes. You can try it on your foot to check if it fits comfortably. If it doesn't fit well, you can adjust by adding or reducing 1 chain stitch in the first row. Then mark this stitch or loop and pull the loop tight. Start the second row by inserting hook into the stitch next to the first row. Yarn over and pull through. Leave a tail of yarn about the same length as the previous row. Then adjust it slightly. Pull the loop tight and chain 1. The first stitch of every row is always a chain stitch, and this chain doesn't count as the first stitch of the row. Insert hook into the second V-shaped stitch. Place both the reserved yarn and the tail yarn above the hook, then work a single crochet, just like this. Continue working 1 single crochet in each V-shaped stitch, hiding both the reserved yarn and the tail inside the stitches as you go. One single crochet in the last V-shaped stitch. Then insert hook into the marked loop. Yarn over and pull it through. Turn the sole over. Insert hook in the next stitch and a single crochet to complete the row. Mark this loop. Hook into the next stitch. The third row is worked the same way as the second row. Adjust the reserved yarn length as needed. Chain 1. The chain stitch doesn't count as a stitch. Then insert hook into the first single crochet from the previous row. Place the reserved yarn above the hook and work a single crochet. Continue 1 single crochet in each single crochet stitch. After the last single crochet, insert hook into the marked loop. yarn over, and pull through. Turn the sole over. Insert hook into the next stitch, and work a single crochet. Try it on your foot again, to check if it fits properly. Next, we're going to crochet the leaf detail. Take out the green yarn. Skip one stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop with the hook. Tighten the loop. And chain one. The chain stitch does not count as a stitch. So insert hook into the first single crochet. And work a single crochet. Hide the yarn tail inside the stitches as you work. Skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, a double crochet. Chain 1. Yarn over. In the same stitch, work another double crochet. That completes the first leaf. Yarn over, skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, a double crochet. Chain 1. Another double crochet in the same stitch. The second leaf is complete. Skip 2 stitches, continue working the rest in the same way. After finishing the last leaf, you'll see there are 2 stitches left, which isn't enough to make another leaf. So, work 1 single crochet in the final stitch. Then insert hook into the marked loop, tighten the loop. Yarn over, and pull through. Find the stitch that lines up evenly with the opposite side. Insert hook, a single crochet. The leaves are finished. Check again to make sure it fits comfortably on your foot. Take out the red yarn and start crocheting the flower. Skip 1 stitch. Insert hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Chain 1. A single crochet in the first stitch. Hide the yarn tail inside the stitches. Work 4 double crochets in the center of the leaf. First double crochet. In the same hole. Second double crochet. Third double crochet. Fourth double crochet. Pull up the loop, then reinsert hook into the first double crochet stitch. Pull the loop from the 4th double crochet through to make a slip stitch. Tighten the loop. Chain 2. Keep these chain stitches slightly loose. The first flower is complete. Yarn over. Insert hook into the center hole of the leaf. 4 double crochets in the same hole. Just like before, slip stitch to join the first double crochet with the fourth double crochet. Chain 2. The second flower is complete. Continue crocheting the rest in the same way. After finishing the last flower, chain 2. A single crochet in the last stitch. Insert hook into the loop from the previous row. Yarn over and pull through. Find the stitch that lines up evenly with the opposite side. Insert hook there. Work a single crochet. The flower row is complete. Bring the main yarn to the right side. Insert hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Adjust the reserved yarn so it matches the edge of the upper. Chain 1. A single crochet in the first stitch. On both sides of the flower, 3 single crochets in each hole. 1, 2, 3. 3 single crochets in this hole as well. Continue crocheting the rest in the same way. The last set of 3 single crochets. A single crochet in the last stitch. Hook into the loop from the previous row. Yarn over and pull through. Find the stitch that lines up on the opposite side. Insert hook there. A single crochet. Try it on your foot to check the fit. Now we're going to weave in the yarn tail into the stitches, just like this. Cut the yarn tail. Mark the loop. Hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Adjust the reserved yarn. Chain 1. A single crochet in the first stitch. Next, 1 single crochet in each stitch, all the way across this row. After finishing the last single crochet, hook into the marked loop. Yarn over and pull through. Hook into the next stitch. A single crochet. Try it on your foot to check the fit. Cut the yarn, pull the tail through. Weave the yarn tail into the stitches to hide it, just like this. Cut the yarn. Congratulations! The slipper is finished. I can't wait to see your creations.